There are some more medical signs that you might see. If you see under vet care, it will also have an explanation of what they are under vet care for. It might be that they have an upper respiratory infection, or they have some wound that the vet staff already knows about. If you see new concerning symptoms, definitely tell a staff member, but know that if it's an item that is already listed on there, they are already aware of the problem. You might also see a cat returning to cage. That means that the vet staff has taken them down to the vet clinic to check them out, and so there will not be a cat in this kennel at that time. You may also see one of these two. We have the older one and the newer one. That is either these pets were recently spayed or neutered, or surgery is scheduled today. There will not be an animal in there if it says surgery is scheduled today. If it says that they were recently spayed or neutered, they have just returned, and they may be acting a little groggy, they may be acting silly. Every animal reacts differently, but these animals are staff only at this time, so you may not do Purrtime with them. You may say hi and tell them how cute they are from a distance, but we are not touching these. Likewise, if you see, I do not like fingers in my cage, no matter how much that cat tries to tell you they do, it gets put up because we have reason to believe that they are not going to like that. They may have bit someone, they may have taken a swipe at someone, they have shown some behavior that they do not like fingers in their kennel, and so you are not going to put your fingers in this kennel. And if you see members of the public trying to put their fingers in this, you are going to try and encourage them to keep their hands to themselves. Another one that you might see, hopefully you will not see it very often, we do occasionally have this come up, is Giardia positive. It gets pretty tricky to do Purrtime with a Giardia positive cat. There is so much cleaning that is needed. Giardia is unfortunately spreadable to humans and other animals, and so we do not want you getting sick or possibly infecting other animals. So it says you must wear gloves and wash your hands immediately afterwards. It's better to just do a distance and just talk to that animal, play music for them, something like that. Giardia impacts the gut, and so we are definitely not going to be giving them any treats. You can talk to them, but we're probably not going to stick more toys in there, because often those toys are going to need to be thrown away, because we do not want to infect other animals, because there can be some of the, I don't know if they're spores, whatever they are, that stick to the item, and it's just safer for all animals involved to not have that presence continue to be there. So if you see that Giardia positive, we are probably going to put a fence around it so you can talk to the animal, again, play music for them, but we are not going to be sticking hands or anything else in that kennel.